Woman is in her backyard when a wild moose charges at her. Shockingly, her little pup jumped in front of the moose, saving its owner's life. Dog wakes up owners to let them know there's a snake nearby. This girl felt faint and started to swing a little bit, but the devoted dog knew what to do and jumped right into action, a real hero. A thief really thought he could effortlessly climb over the fence, take what he wanted, and just leave. Unfortunately for him, the owners had a pup and God on their side. The dog was so smart that it didn't just scare off the bad guy, it also gave him a chance to think it over and run away. But the guy stayed, so the dog took action. Doggo stops a potential money thief. Despite the bear being twice the dog's size and more fierce, the dog didn't back down and chased the bear away. A python slithered into the shed looking for an easy catch and was getting ready to attack, but Mina the cat really just showed the snake who was boss. Meanwhile, this owner faked a robbery to see if the dog protects, and he goes all protective. Brave pup saves a little human from a sheep attack, proving heroism comes in all sizes. A dog sees its owner jump into water and follows to save him. Look at him go, full service car wash gorilla edition. Dude's putting in effort. This cute cat tries its best to help owner in cleaning. Smart parrot helps the owner open the bottle.
See the drop.
Elsewhere, a dog saves baby's life after father got a little distracted. And this dog takes his job way too seriously with the newborn.
Lay down. Nothing is going to happen. Literally nothing is going to happen. Just lay down.
Meanwhile, a smart pet guided its owner on how to park. Then, man tried to act like he was drowning to see how his dog will react, and the dog jumps straight in. She starts having a medical emergency, and her dog sprints off, finds the meds, and saves her. Real life guardian angel. Playtime ensured. A friendly elephant makes sure a girl enjoys the water. Service dog helps a disabled owner with daily tasks. A dog stays close while its owner uses an ATM, such as Sweet Protector. A dog waits for a little girl at the bus stop until she boards safely. This dog loves his owner so much that walking behind him simply isn't close enough. Next, puppy helps owner and pulls a chair toward her so she can sit. This kind dog offered referee water. A dog protects its little owner who's afraid of hens. Next, Alaskan bear sets a fallen roadside cone upright. Patient dog lets a little girl use his leg as a ring stacking post. Continuing, little bear refuses to leave the man who saved him from the fire. Continuing on to this little pup who helps street performer collect his tips. Then bear comes to store and carefully took one snack and made sure he didn't mess up. This dog is even scared of a small turtle, not exactly the pet I'd count on for protection. A cat gives its owner a soothing face massage. This bear helps man during workout. Even pushing trucks isn't too much for this helpful pup. And continuing, bear saves a crow from drowning. Baby elephant alert, elephants rush to help a young one who tripped while playing. A protective cat follows this baby everywhere.
Saying your pet is clingy.
A man pretends to faint in front of geese, causing them to react and protect. And sometimes your pet can feed you like this little parrot. A cat protects a baby from getting too close to her mother who is cutting with sharp knives. Then caretaker goes to feed injured cat at shelter, but cat wants to hug instead. After that, dog saves cat from an altercation. Continuing, dog saves another dog from drowning. The firefighter gets locked out of a station, so the dog jumps up, hits the bar, and lets him back in. Smartest good boy ever. Meanwhile, a smart and adorable dog brings its owner a chair when she was sitting in an uncomfortable position. How did he know to do this? Meanwhile, a super cat protects baby from a dog. He's just walking his husky when two pit bulls rush in and the husky jumps in front to protect him. Absolute hero. Next, the dog protected its owner from an attack. And then, elephant protected her human friend with her trunk. Meanwhile, a dog pulled a toddler back from a dangerous road. This pet guided his blind owner upstairs. Just when you thought that was impressive, another dog jumps in to push a car stranded in floodwaters. Not stopping there, this clever pup even helps lift sand like a tiny construction worker. Doggo noticed the tree crew and decided today was the day he pursued his true passion, professional branch enthusiast. A dog smoothly guides a man in a wheelchair, making a tough task look effortless. Meanwhile, a dog steps up to help a poor man carry heavy bags. And this sweet pup doesn't stop there, clearing the path for an elderly lady so she can walk safely. Over in another heartwarming scene, a dog lets a baby goat drink milk alongside her puppy. Switching to service animals, this dog grabs medicine for its owner without hesitation. And in a hilarious twist, a tiny puppy scares a bear right out of the garage. A woman dropped her keys into a hole and tried to retrieve them using a stick. A cat comes out and saves the day.
Ai, deixa eu tentar. Sai.
And this cat even opens the door to let its friends in. Some pups even help around the house, like making the bed. This husky holds the ladder stairs so the owner can climb without worry. And this dog goes full workout buddy, helping a man pull a heavy cart. Another pup takes charge, lifting a heavy load alongside its human. Parrots can be heroes too, gathering coins for their owners. And monkeys pitch in, folding clothes like pros. Meanwhile, an elephant gently guides an elderly woman hand in hand. Pure joy, little dog sees its owner and can't contain the excitement. Even when studying, a dog wants to be right there with its human. Rescued pups never forget. This one gazes at its owner with pure gratitude. And every morning, this dog greets its owner like it's the first day they met. Safety checks continue. This dog makes sure its owner is okay before going down the slide. When a kitty gets stuck, it calls for backup from its big brother. Hero mode, dog stops traffic to help its owner who had a seizure on the road. And this hardworking dog tries to move tires all in one go, helping its owner with heavy labor. Meanwhile, this super dog assists its owner with chores and tasks. A cat brings home a toy duck as a gift. Koala reaches out for a warm embrace.
No prompting. Oh, you are just... It hurts. Oh, I love you, koala.
Pets showing love. They cuddle around a sleeping dad and baby. Dogs have empathy too, comforting a sad man. Meanwhile, a baby sheep bonds with a human infant. This pet is thankful to the woman who rescued her. A devoted dog visits its owner in the hospital, bringing instant smiles. The farmer's feeling down, and all cows start gathering around him like they knew he needed comfort. Meanwhile, a lamb nudges its human for affection, showing how gentle farm life can be. And this baby deer, it makes the most adorable hungry noise as it seeks food. Not to be outdone, a group of horses runs over excitedly to greet a baby. Tiny ducks make playtime magical as a baby interacts with them joyfully. Over at the seaside, a friendly dolphin swims up to greet a little girl.
Look at this, so silly. Yeah. Oh.
And this clever dolphin even brings a gift to a fisherman. Birds pitch in too as a parrot hands chips to a man. Ocean encounters get tense. A shark comes too close, but the man stays calm. Back on land, a cat helps grab tape to seal a box, being surprisingly useful. Another cat assists with folding and sorting laundry like a tiny household helper. Clever feline alert. This cat helped with kitchen construction. Helping isn't always easy. A cat helps a baby open the door. Trying its best, the cat attempts to help, then decides to sit inside the bag instead. Classic. Artistic side out. A cat helps shape a clay pot with adorable precision. Meanwhile, an elephant assists humans with a perfect trick shot. And this dog helps grandma with her knitting. From chores to everyday tasks, this dog is right there, helping its owner.
You bringing your bed in here?
Tiny but mighty, a puppy pitches in with gardening duties. And when heavy lifting is needed, a dog offers a paw to help carry. Staying at home doesn't mean lazy days. This dog does all the household work. Baby lessons, this dog tries to teach a little one how to crawl. And when deliveries arrive, this dog happily receives the courier. Snowy days, no problem. This dog helps clear the snow. Brave dog alert. Risking its own life, it saves a cat in danger. More winter help. Another dog shovels snow to make life easier. Clever and industrious, this dog tackles farm chores like a pro. Not stopping there, another dog is seen helping with various daily tasks. Emotional support is key. This dog helps its owner process sad movie scenes. And a cat assists with spreading bed sheets. Trying its hardest, the cat jumps in to be helpful in daily chores. Also, this kitten ensures no drops are wasted. Cat helps wipe down the table.
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
Packing made easier thanks to a cat lending a paw. A cat gently swings a baby, showing tender care. Then, a cat pitches in to help its owner cut wood, lending a paw to the chores. And when it comes to little chicks, this cat makes sure they're completely safe. Over in the dog world, the dog makes sure his pup doesn't sneak kitten food. Lucky day, a cat brings her owner a winning lottery ticket, resulting in a sweet surprise.
What is, a scratch card? Is it a winner though?
Protective vibes continue as another cat defends its owner from potential danger. When a couple has a play fight, Husky gets super defensive of the girl. Meanwhile, a dog ensures a baby never climbs stairs alone, safety first. When Doggo's owner has to be taken out on a stretcher, Doggo can't resist but come to give him hugs. Taking initiative, a dog jumps down from a car and helps its owner push. On the farm, another dog helps collect corns, showing teamwork in action. Monkeys get protective too, keeping a close watch on their human friends. Even rhino babies know protection, guarding their mother during treatment.
Guys, just come around a little bit so it's a little...
School run heroes, a dog ensures students safely cross the road. These dogs take over the TV and seem hooked. Clever chicken alert, she closes the feeder just in time to protect food from hungry alpaca. Around the park, a dog helps carry wood, showing off his carrying skills to everyone passing by.
Doing a good job. Well done. Good boy.
Study buddy, this dog makes sure the girl stays focused while studying. In Brazil, a stray dog limps into a veterinary clinic and bravely offers its injured paw for help. Over in the wild, a giraffe helps a turtle move faster. Teamwork knows no bounds. Playtime mischief, a kitten tries to help catch Jerry, but it's just the iPad. Acts of kindness, this boy helps a cat drink water. Therapy dogs shine, comforting chemotherapy patients and easing their pain. Blind owner gets seamless help from a dog navigating the metro without a word. Heartwarming moment, a horse comforts its crying owner.
You've got a friend in me when the road looks.
Newborn protection, a dog guards a cow's baby with care. Continuing heroics, a dog protects a child from harm.
This. Dog reacts.
Big Pitbull steps in to protect the owner's kids.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing.
Even sheep know duty, standing guard to protect the shepherd and dog. Testing loyalty, an owner pretends to faint and the dog rushes to rescue. Trapped in sand, this dog jumps in to help the owner free their car. Gentle bird alert, lets a child love her without flying away. Hide and seek time, this dog is playfully trying to find its owner. And a cat can't stop hugging its human owner, pure love all around. A well-trained dog helps its owner with every chore. Then, a clever cat comes to the rescue when its owner fakes a dog bite. This cat steps up as a protective bodyguard for its human. A dog comforts its human who's having a bad day. A meerkat tries to protect a baby that was terrified of a dinosaur toy. A dog prevents its owner from rolling down too fast onto the beach. A cat protects its owner from a potential pickpocketing attempt. Dogs sense a potential threat and stand guard for their owners. On an icy surface, a dog keeps its slipping owner safe. A dog consoles its baby best friend after being scolded. A cat ensures a baby's safety by keeping it standing while it's learning to walk. A cat fends off stray dogs to protect a baby. But this dog walks patiently alongside an elderly man. When Doggo's furry friend falls down, the dog waits for rescue to come, not leaving his buddy's side. This doggo keeping his family's son safe by constantly checking up on him. A dog fends off two people trying to rob its human. A service dog comforts patients at the dentist. Dog jumps in to save a squirrel from drowning.
This all or nothing.
And this dog jumps into a pool to rescue its friend. Two children work together to help a kitten safely get down. Is this dog trying to stalk the sheep? It's acting creepy just following the sheep. A dog shields a young puppy from an anxious sheep. Meanwhile, this puppy teaches its owner how to rotate a hula hoop. A deer befriending a dog over the fence and coming back every day. Elsewhere, this cute girl and her dog lose each other for a brief moment. And this dog clocked in for his daily dose of love like it's a full-time job. After that, another dog licks a baby girl and she calmly sits there enjoying a free bath. Sometimes pets can help you relax, like this pup. But who needs a car wash when your pet dog picks you up every day? Rescued little duck trying its absolute best to befriend a senior golden retriever, and somehow it worked. Even seals want to help out. And this helpful dog is making sure everything is cleaned properly. Sometimes traffic can be controlled by dogs, just like this one. Even this cat decided to lend a paw in the kitchen, helping with the dishes. And when you have a pet cat, you surely don't lose your place while scrolling. He's a loyal dog, making sure his elderly friend gets exactly where he needs to go. I found clips of real-life superheroes caught on camera. Click the video on the screen to watch.